Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to switch from Wix to Wix Studio to take advantage of more advanced design and development features. Whether you are upgrading for better customization or a smoother workflow, the transition is simple and quick. On your browser, you already have a Wix dashboard open. Now, open a new tab and type in Wix Studio. Then click on Wix Studio. Next, click Start to begin. As you can see, our account is automatically logged in. Now let's explore Wix Studio. You will see options like Set up a site, Design a site, or Generate site. We just need to choose Designer, or we can skip this step for now. Let's skip it. Or we can go ahead and start designing. And that's it. We are now in Wix Studio using the same account. That's how we move from Wix to Wix Studio in just a few simple steps. With the extra flexibility and tools available, we can build more powerful and professional websites.